this Zz Snore spray application for my snoring about a week ago, and it arrived in the mail a few days ago. I just took it out of the package. So what we get here is this little spray, which I'm going to open up, and this little piece of information over here. Zz Snore is actually a European product that's been around for about 20 years through a company called Snore, I believe. Now, recently, they started marketing it in the USA under Zz Snore. It's the same solution. According to them, if one applies 5 drops inside each nostril at night, it will lubricate the back of the throat, and it will help snorers. The idea is that the lubrication will get into the back of the nostril by the back of the throat, that you'll kind of feel it in the back of your throat, so that it will lubricate the areas that need the lubrication, and that will allow for more oxygen, smoother sleeping experience, and that's really what this lubrication is about. Now, I was not aware, but it seems like they do have some kind of partnership with SnoreLab, which is an app on their phone, which can be downloaded onto phones, and I happen to use one, and so I plan on using this in conjunction with SnoreLab app, and to see exactly how well it works. What's really great about this is that when it comes to anti-snoring, you're gonna have mouthpieces and straps and all kinds of things. This is very hands-off. It's just a spray, and you can sleep as you normally would, and so it's very worth giving a shot.